Meteorology. Precipitation develops in clouds. As water evaporates from Earth's surface, it rises into the atmosphere. As the water rises, the air cools. The water vapor, which condenses and forms droplets. Depending on the temperature of the air, precipitation can fall in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. If the precipitation falls in liquid form, it is rain. If the drops come down as liquid but form ice as the liquid hits a cold surface, it is freezing rain. Sleet is formed if the liquid melts and then refreezes in cool air before hitting the ground. Snow falls as ice crystals and never melts before hitting the ground. Hail forms when raindrops find a thunderstorm, updraft, and are repeatedly carried into extremely cold areas of the atmosphere, allowing raindrops to freeze onto the hailstone surface. If repeated, this process can make very large. According to the Oxford Dictionary, an air mass is a body of air which is horizontally uniform in temperature, humidity, and pressure. There are 4 types of air masses, including polar, tropical, continental, and maritime. Air masses can be further identified by where they occur and if they are over land or water. Because Oklahoma is located in the Great Plains, an area known as Tornado Alley, it is more susceptible to tornadoes. It is located in an area where warm, humid air from the Gulf of Mexico, hot, dry air from Arizona and New Mexico, and cool, dry air from Canada often come together in the springtime and make the atmosphere the perfect place for tornadoes to occur. Orthographic lifting is when air is lifted over an obstacle such as a mountain. When air runs into an obstacle, it has nowhere to go but up. As the air rises, it cools, causing precipitation to fall. The side of the obstacle where the rain falls is the windward side, which tends to receive more rain than the leeward side. As the air goes down the leeward side, it warms back up, causing the leeward side to be drier and warmer. Lifting occurs when one air mass along a front gets lifted up over another air mass. A cold front happens when a cold air mass moves on to a warm air mass, while during a warm front, a warm air mass moves onto a cold air mass. During a cold front, the warm air is lifted up quickly and cools the warm air very quickly, forming clouds and bringing dramatic changes in weather. When a warm front comes, the warm air pushes the cold air up, causing a weather change that brings warmer air. Air lifting is important because it causes the formation of clouds and precipitation.